Okay, hello everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a custom enchantment in Minecraft. Now, first what we want to do is we want to create a new world. And we want to title it, really anything. I'm going to call it Auto Smelt. Because that's what we're going to be, that's the enchantment I'm going to be showing you how to make. We create it. So now we're in our world. Now let's go into game mode. And now we just created the world because this is where we will be storing the file. So now what we want to do is we want to go to our desktop and we want to create, and we want to right click, new, folder, and then name it what you want to call the, just name it really anything. I'm going to call it Auto Smelt because that's the enchantment. And then we open the folder, and in the folder we're going to make a new folder, call it data. And now what we're going to do is we're going to create a new text document. And we're going to name it pack.mcmeta. I cannot type. Pack.mcmeta. And then it'll say this, and you click yes. And so we want to open pack.mcmeta with Notepad. And then you want to copy paste this from the description of the video. You can change this to whatever you want. It's just the description. And now we can Control S to save, and we can X out of that. So now we open data, and now we create a new folder called Minecraft. We want to go inside the Minecraft folder. And now we make a folder called loot_tables. And inside of loot tables, we can create a folder called blocks. Now, this is where you're gonna have to do some stuff. I linked Digital Smiles channel in the description. You can go and download WinRAR from his link. Now you can press Windows R and type %app-data%/versions/1.16.5 because that's just what version I'm on. And now it'll bring up this. And you want to left click and then right click and then open with WinRAR. And then we can X out of this. And now we have this. Now we have this big chunk of stuff. So now what you want to do is you want to open data, Minecraft, loot tables, blocks. So now you can scroll through this and you can get any JSON file that you want. What I want to find is I want to find stone. Now if we scroll down to the S's, we can hopefully find stone. Where is it? Here we go, stone.json. And now what we do is we can drag our stone.json in our blocks file. And now we can access, and we just need this, right? And now we can open with Notepad. But so there's a lot of different ways you can make an auto smelt enchantment. And you can either do it with 50 million different command blocks, or you can use this. You can highlight, so make sure to highlight all of these, and then Control C. And now we can close stone.json, and we can actually delete stone.json. Now we need to create a new file. Now we create a new text document, and we rename it whatever we want. Now I'm going to be doing a gold ore, and you can modify the auto smelt in any way you'd like, so I'm going to do gold ore.json. That's okay. .json. And And then it'll say this, and then you want to click yes. And now, sometimes you can drag it over from when WinRAR was open, but I'm not going to do that. I will actually show you if you can now. If I delete this, oh no, what have I done? I just I just X'd out of the data pack. Oh no. I did not mean to do that. I just I just X'd out of the data pack. So now you see the gold ore.json. What we can do is we can Windows R and we can go back to the version, or where we can open with the WinRAR. That's kind of hard to say. Open with WinRAR, X this, and then hold on, just let this load. My computer's kind of slow. Data, Minecraft, loot tables, blocks. So now the only reason you'd probably need this is to get the correct names of the items and blocks and stuff, because like some of them are a bit strange, some of them are really self-explanatory. Like if I go ahead and find gold ore.json, we can drag this. Oh goodness. We can go ahead. Oh frick. We can drag the gold ore.json, or actually, if you're doing it this way, you're gonna have to delete the original gold ore.json. Now you can go back into here. You could drag the gold ore.json into this, and then I'm gonna keep that open. Just put it over there. So now you can double click and then open with Notepad. Every computer should have Notepad automatically. And this is you could change it simply. So if we changed this we could change it to whatever we wanted. We could change it like sand, and now it would drop sand. But we don't want to do that. We want to highlight this whole thing and Control V and paste in the stone. Paste in the stone. See? This is the stone loot table. So now, this is where it gets interesting. What you can do is you can change Silk Touch to a different enchantment. Let's do Quick Charge. Minimum 1. And we can scroll down here. And since this is gold ore, we change the stone. So when it's mined with Quick Charge, it'll drop gold _ ingot. And if it's not mined with Quick Charge, it will drop gold ore. Now we Control S to save, and we can X out of this. And we can X out of this. And we go actually back into Minecraft. And we save and quit. And we go single player, our world, edit, open world folder. Minimize Minecraft. And now we can drag our we go into data packs. Now we can drag our auto smelt folder into this. And now we can X out, and what we do is we can save, and then we can go back into the world. And now we're back in the world. We can /reload to reload all data packs. And now it'll reload. So now if we do /data pack, and we do disable, you'll see we have the one. We don't have to actually disable it or anything. That's just there, just so we know that it's been acknowledged. So now we can get a gold ore. Now we have some gold ore. And now we get a diamond pickaxe. And let's go in survival, and if we mine the gold ore with the diamond pickaxe, it should drop a gold ore. And it dropped a gold ore, which is what we wanted. So that's good. Now we now this is going to be a bit harder. You can copy paste this from the description if you'd like, or you can follow along. You can give yourself a diamond pickaxe, enchantments, ID, hold on. So what you want to do is you want to do diamond pickaxe, and then close curly brackets, and then enchantments with a capital E, a colon, 2 square brackets, 2 curly brackets, ID, colon, 2 apostrophes, not apostrophes, quotation marks, and then you type in the enchantment. So now since we set it to quick charge, we type quick underscore charge, and then level 1, and now there's this. Now we have this. So now if this was obtainable in survival mode, it would look like this, and this is not what we want. We do not want it to look like that. So what you do is we type a comma right after the second square bracket, and we type HideFlags, and then 1. Now that gives us the enchantment glint, but it doesn't say that it has quick charge 1. But it doesn't say that it has auto smelt either, so we don't want that. Now we type after HideFlags, a comma, we type that's not how you spell this, display, and then 2 curly brackets, lore, colon, 2 square brackets, 2 hyphens, and 2 square brackets, and then 2 curly brackets, and we type a JSON, like a tellraw message. Now there's a link for tellraw in the description. I already know how to do this, so I'm just gonna text auto smelt italic false color gray. Now we have this diamond pickaxe, and it says it has an auto smelt enchantment. Now let's place the gold ore, and we can mine it with the auto smelt. And bam, just like that, it drops the gold ingot because of the JSON file. And now what we can do is, if we go back, alright, if you want to open it back up, you can type %appdata% by hitting Windows R /.minecraft/saves/ and then the name, so I did auto smelt, and now it'll open this, and we can go data packs, auto smelt. Now what you can do is you can make more. You can make like an iron.json. You can make it so that if you mine it with gravel, it drops flint, iron, sand, etc., etc. But that mainly concludes it for today. I hope this was helpful if you want to make custom enchantments, and you can modify it in any way. Auto smelt was the only immediate one I could think of. But until then, have a great day.